Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see your Instagram account story. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. First of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. And then you can tap on your profile. Tap on the three lines on the upper right corner over here. Tap on your activity. You can scroll down. Tap on account history. Now you can see, you can review change that you've made to your account since you create your account. Like this month, here's your account history for this month. For this year, you can see, and you can also sort by the oldest to newest by tapping this, or you can filter by date, from old date or past week, past month, past year, or you can choose the date range, or you can filter by update type. Here you can see all of your account history on this feature. So that is how to see Instagram account story on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!